Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this part, we are going to work on the last task, which was task 4 on creating relational databases. So in the previous part, we created databases and subnets. So for this part, which is the last one, we are going to open our application and it will be running on a web server that had been created initially in this part. We have the web server that has been created. For you to access the web server, you go to AWS details. You click that. Let's first start our 20, so I have to start that. You have to start the lab so that you can see. But you will click this when this turns green, and then it will give you IP addresses of web server. You will copy the IP address and paste it on a new URL. Just let's wait. When it opens, we can test our network. And also, when you're creating the database, make sure that you don't choose the dev test. In the step where I stated that you choose the dev test, choose the production one. That's the one that will work out. Because I tried with the dev test initially, but it did not work. I don't know if it can work with both, but mine refused to work initially, so I had to start afresh. So already I have my lab. So meaning we can go. So we will check, we will click this. And when you click that, it's supposed to bring for you details of your web server. So for me, the web server address now has kind of changed. I'll just use that one. I wonder why it's now different. But it's okay. Let's see if that will work. We will paste it. So when you get your server address, paste and start. Yeah, let it open our project first, and then let's now open it up. That's it. So you will copy the address from here. And then paste it. Doesn't really look like the one that I received the first time. So let's press that. But initially the address that I was getting was different from this. Yeah, this was the address that I was getting, and this is what I used to access the network. Let's see if this can happen. So when you put the address, it's supposed to bring an interface where you'll be able to put the database name, it will bring. So for the instructions, we have this. When it brings the interface after copy pasting your IP address, it's supposed to bring you an interface where you with endpoint, database, username, password, and you put all this information and submit. And then after submitting, it's supposed to bring for you an address book, and this address book will allow you to put your to add information, like when adding things on database, and then you can play around with it. And that's it for today. My computer is taking too long to load, and I think my lab is already closed, so it won't really work the way I want it to. But I got the results, and when you follow the steps I've provided, you're going to